Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Assam Job Point. Today I will discuss about first in and from Assam and first Assamese, which is very important from the exam point of view. First mobile theater group Kohinoor Theater, founded by Brojanath Sharma in 1930. First female Assamese singer to win national award, Torali Sharma. First to print the Bible in Assamese, Atmoram Sharma. First private bank, the Guwahati Bank Limited. First Assamese to print the Kirtan Ghosa, Horibilas Agarwala. First Lokayukta of Assam, Justice T.C. Das. First pilot of Assam, Mohananda Das. Assam Mihir is the first weekly newspaper published in Assam, Guwahati. First cinema hall, Junaki Cinema Hall, Tezpur. First CNG station of Assam, Dibrugarh. First book fair was held in Nagaon. First printed Buronji, Assam Buronji. First Buronji, Puroni Osomor Buronji. First printed book, Dharmapustak, Bible, written by Atmoram Sharma. First dictionary in Assamese, Osomia Ingraji Obhidhan, compiled by Miles Bronson. First grammar, grammatical notes on the Assamese language, 1848. First news magazine, Arunodoy, which was published in 1846, and its editor was Nathan Brown. First modern Assamese social play is Ram Navami. It was written by Gunaviram Borua. First ever Assamese animated biopic, Sorbogunakor Srimanto Shankardev. Its director was Monju Bora. First Assamese to receive the title of Sir from the British government, Sir Sayyid Muhammad Sadullah. First Assamese to become a Supreme Court judge is Parvati Kumar Goswami. First President of Assam Sahitya Sabha is Panmonath Gohai Borua. First female poet of Assam, I. Padmapriya. First editor of Ramdhenu, Indrakamal Bes Borua. First woman president of Assam Sahitya Sabha, Nolinibala Devi. First Assamese grammar is A Grammar of the Assamese Language by William Robinson. First bilingual dictionary in Assamese language is A Dictionary in Assamese and English. It was written by Miles Bronson. First Assamese dictionary or first etymological Dictionary of the Assamese language is Hemkosh. First Assamese prose composition is Kotha Gita by Bhattodev. First color film of Assam is Vaiti. It was directed by Komal Chaudhuri. First Assamese sonnet is Priyotamar Sithi. First written Assamese autobiography is Autobiography by Horokanto Sharma Mojindra Borua. First published autobiography is Atmajibon Chorit by Hemchandra Borua. First Assamese film or movie is Joymoti. First governor of independent Assam is Sir Muhammad Saleh Akbar Haidari. First Chief Minister of Assam is Gopinath Bordoloi. First film actress of Assamese cinema is Aidew Nilambor Hondikoi. First female Chief Minister of Assam is Soyoda Anwara Taimur. First Assamese romantic poem is Bon Kuori. It was written by Chandra Kumar Agarwala. First Assamese short story is Heuti. It was written by Lakshminath Besborua. First Assamese novel is Bhanumati. First Assamese President of India is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. First Arjuna Award winner from Assam is Bhugeshwar Borua. First Assamese woman to get Arjuna Award is Monalisa Borua Mehta. First Assamese to climb Mount Everest is Torun Soikia. First Assamese to scale Mount Kanchenjunga is Monty Rajkhua. First Assamese Justice of Guwahati High Court is Justice Holiram Deka. First Chief Justice of Assam High Court is Sir R.F. Lose. First Assamese Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court is Holiram Deka. First known ruler of Assam is Mohiranga Danov. First martyr of 1942 revolution in Assam is Konoglota Borua. First Assamese film to win President's Silver Medal for Best Feature Film is Ronga Police. First Assamese film to receive the first Certificate of Merit is Pioli Fukon. First Assamese film director to win the National Film Award for Best Director is Jannu Borua. First Assamese film to get the Swarna Kamal Award for Best Regional Feature Film is Halodhia Soraye Baudhan Khai. The first female director of an Assamese film is Monisha Hazarika. First woman film director and producer of Assam is Suprabha Devi. First national park of Assam is Kaziranga National Park. First Assamese tea planter or farmer is Moniram Dewan. First tea garden of Assam is Sabua Tea Garden. First tea company in Assam is Assam Company. First medical college in Assam is Assam Medical College and Hospital. First college of Assam is Cotton College. First university of Assam is Guwahati University. First private college of Assam is JB College. First graduate from Assam is Anandaram Borua. First Indian civil service officer from Assam is Anandaram Borua. First Assamese woman graduate is Sudholata Dwara and Sukholata Dwara. First MA postgraduate of Assam is Radhanath Phukon. First barrister of Assam is Anandaram Borua. First graduate from Upper Assam is Jagannath Borua. First Assamese to be awarded India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, is Gopinath Bordoloi. First Assamese governor of any Indian state is Vishnuram Medhi. First Assamese to win Dada Saheb Phalke Award is Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. First Assamese to win Gyanpith Award is Dr. Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya. First recipient of Assam Ratna is Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. First Assamese to receive Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award is Laflina Borgohain. First Ambedkar Award recipient of Assam is Chetana Das. First Assamese to win Assam Valley Literary Award is Bhobendranath Soikia. First bibliography in Assamese is Asomia Puthir Talika. First Assamese to win Bismillah Khan Award is Sukrasarya Rabha. First bridge on the Brahmaputra is Saraighat. First cabinet minister of Union Cabinet is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. First Assamese Justice of Supreme Court is Parvati Kumar Goswami. First Assamese daily newspaper is Doinik Batori. The first English weekly of Assam is The Times of Assam. First Assamese children's novel is Patalpuri. First Assamese to cross English Channel is Elvis Ali Hazarika. First Chief Election Commissioner from Assam is Hari Shankar Brahma. The first Chief Commissioner of Assam is Richard Hart Keating. First Commissioner of Assam is David Scott. First Assamese Chief Justice of Supreme Court is Ranjan Gogoi. First Assamese President of the Indian National Congress is Devakanta Borua. First student organization of Assam is Assam Chhatro Sonnmilan. First president of Assam Chhatro Sonnmilan is Rosaras Lakshminath Besbarua. First Assamese woman to receive Gyanpith Award is Mamoni Roysam Goswami. First Assamese to win gold medal in Asian Games is Bhugeshwar Borua. First Assamese historical novel is Bhanumati. First IAS of Assam is Osyut Soikia. First Assamese novel on tribal life is Miri Jiori, written by Rajanikanto Bordoloi. First Assamese novel that received Sahitya Academy Award is Yarwingom. First Assamese to receive Padma Bhushan Award is Omiyo Kumar Das. First Assamese PhD holder is Moidul Islam Bora. First Assamese play to be broadcasted over All India Radio is Bin Boiragi. First printing press of Assam is Mission Press Sipsagar. First radio station of Assam is Guwahati and Shillong. First Rajiv Gandhi Sadbhavana Award winner from Assam is Hiteshwar Soikia. First Sangeet Natak Academy Award winner from Assam is Mitrodev Mohanto. First thesis in the Assamese language is Assamese, its formation and development. First Assamese woman minister in Union Cabinet is Renuka Devi Borkotoki. First Speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly is Babu Bosanto Kumar Das. First Assamese to fight against the British is Gumodhar Kaur. First woman finance minister of Assam is Ajanta Neuk. First secondary school of Assam is Guwahati Seminary or Cotton Collegiate School. First Assamese film director and producer is Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. First Assamese travelogue is Bilator Sithi. First private university of Assam is Assam Don Bosco University. Mental hospital is Lukopriya Gopinath Bordoloi Institute of Mental Health. First Assamese daily English newspaper is The Assam Tribune. First Assamese women's magazine is Ghor Jeuti. First Assamese recipient of National Gram Shri Award is Mridul Deka. First Vice Chancellor of Guwahati University is Krishna Kanto Hendik. First Assamese to win National Award for Best Actress is Maloya Goswami. First Assamese translator of the Ramayana is Madhav Kondoli. First Assamese translator of the Mahabharata is Ram Saraswati. First Assamese lexicographer is Joduram Deka Borua. First D-Lit of London University from Assam is Surya Kumar Bhuya. First Luko Adalat in Assam is Hajo. First Assamese to establish tea garden in Assam is Moniram Dewan. First medical school in Assam is Berry White Medical School. First RTI awardee from Assam is Akhil Gogoi. First Srimanto Shankardev Award winner from Assam is Kirtinath Hazarika. First woman doctor from Assam is Dr. Rajani Prabha Soikia. First woman justice of High Court of Assam is Meera Sharma. First woman ACS officer of Assam is Sushibrata Rai Chaudhuri. First woman IAS officer from Assam is Parul Das. First Assamese International Award winner film is Hagaroloi Bohudur. First Assamese writer to receive the Saraswati Award is Lakshmi Nandan Bora. First Assamese writer to receive the Padma Shri is Amal Prabha Das. First modern theatre hall of Assam is Ban Theatre. First woman player from Assam who won medal in Olympic Games is Laflina Borgohain. First Assamese sonnet book is Malos. First Assamese person to win Best Screenplay Award is Bhobendranath Soikia. First Assamese writer to receive the Sahitya Academy Children's Literature Award is Gogon Chandra Adhikari. First Assamese writer to receive the Sahitya Academy Youth Award is Orindam Borkotoki. First Assamese person to receive the Kamal Kumari National Award is Shobha Brahmo. First Assamese person to receive the Anandaram Borua Award is Rajanikanto Dev Sharma. First Assamese person to receive the Vishnu Rava Award is Rongbong Terang. First Assamese writer to receive the Munin Borkotoki Award is Dr. Robin Saha. First Assamese writer to receive the Noto Surya Phoni Sharma Award is Tulsi Das. First Assamese writer to receive Assam Publication Board Award is Bhobendranath Soikia. First Assamese writer to receive Madhav Kondoli Award is Santanu Tamuli. First Assamese film director to win a national award is Phoni Sharma. First Assamese person to receive the national award for best music director award is Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. First Assamese person to win the best artist award at the Locarno, Switzerland International Film Festival is Indro Bonia. First book on modern Assamese songs was compiled by Lakshmiram Borua. First sonnet poet of Assam is Hemchandra Goswami. First Assamese weekly magazine is Noboyuk. First Assamese martyr of freedom struggle is Pioli Phukon. First Assamese Director of Reserve Bank is Ganesh Phukon. The first children newspaper of Assam is The Young Minds. First textbook of Assamese language is Ohomia Lorar Mitro. The first Assamese woman athlete to participate in the Olympics is Laflina Borgohain. First Assamese to obtain a doctorate from the Calcutta University is Dr. Banikanto Kakoti.